Okay, the new part has arrived, and you can see the steel reinforcement here, so that should be a lot better, with the bolt pulling in this side against this. It looks more like the plastic's not going to fall off. The steel should take most of the load. Okay, so we have them ran the right way. We just have to transfer the bulbs over and the switch over, and they've even given us screws for all that and new T-bolts. So it should be easy. Yeah, the screws on this switch, they're really tight. They're tight for a long way. Must be the fastener mechanism. We do have to swap them over using a precision screwdriver and then these pliers to be able to turn it while one of us holds it down. I mean, they're that tight. I'm really surprised. Watch out for that. Right, so I put in some other sealing foam around here. It's a Home Depot special. I had to play with it with the knife a bit. The foam on the original one's glued all the way around. It does not come out. So you'd either need to get that ahead of time to glue it in properly, or we'll see if this fits. And I've got a feeling it will. I think it's just to stop water running through it directly and to stop it vibrating against the back of the door. So that's in. I did manage to break one of these, but man, this was hard getting back in. As hard as it was to get out. Right, we're ready to reassemble. I did reuse this one from the old bracket, and this is a new bolt that goes in place of this Christmas tree fastener. So it may be a little harder to get in, but I think having a bolt there is going to be a lot better than the Christmas tree. I'm having trouble getting this tiny nut in, so I'm going to try putting it in the bottom of this socket and then get the socket over the hidden stud that's sticking out, the one that used to have the plastic fir tree, and see if that'll work. Using it in the socket actually got it going, but putting this nut in the bottom of the socket, sticking it on, wow, that was hard.
Never doing this again, hopefully.
Yeah, no. Well, hopefully with that steel reinforcement, that's a good design. Better than a plastic one which breaks. So all we've got to do now is put the cover back on, and we're using those plastic rivets. And the ones we replaced it with, the rivets work, so it'll be easy. Alright, so the handle is pretty tight. And as you can hear, it's working fine. I'm sure the lights will work when we put that on. So it's good.